Hey everyone, we're Nomad and Lola from The Career Musician and your performance coaches for the 3rd annual Wish Education Foundation Variety Show. Long story short, we've been in the industry for a really long time, working with the best in the biz, and we're here to help you nail your audition and perfect your performance.
Now here's a few tips to make sure that your audition goes off without a hitch. Number 1, song choice is everything. It's everything. So whether you're singing, playing an instrument, dancing, or yo-yoing, what have you, audience engagement relies solely on the song that you select. So be sure to pick a good one. Also, if you are singing, be sure to pick a song you know really well and that is in your key and vocal range.
So important.
Very important.
The right vocal range.
And also, if you are performing with a group, be sure to have a few rehearsals beforehand. That way you guys can really lock in your performance.
Work out all the kinks, get the dust off, and be confident. Now, let's move to the actual audition itself. First things first, make sure you have a nice full body shot with some good lighting, and think of the camera, your phone, as the audience. Once you have your shot all set up, go ahead and introduce yourself. Tell us who you are, what school you go to, and what you will be performing.
That's right. Let us know why you decided to audition this year and if it's your first time performing in front of an audience.
Yeah.
When submitting your video, it's very important to include your MP3 track, that's a part of your performance, along with your video link, your name, grade, age, type of act, and parents' contact info.
Send that to wishshowcase@gmail.com.
Then practice.
Oh, and if you have any questions, of course, we're here to help. We want to make sure that your performance is the best that it can be. So don't be shy, reach out to us.
And we can't wait to see you at the 3rd annual Wish Education Foundation Variety Show, taking place at Saugus High School.
See you there.